Hi, Antonio Martinez here. First off, congratulations for being here. This training is gonna blow your mind. If you're here, it's either because you know that the knowledge industry is the biggest and fastest growing industry on the planet and you want to participate but you're not sure how to do it, or you're here because you are looking for a way to create a steady passive income source because you want more money in your life, more abundance, more wealth, and you're out there desperately looking for answers. I know it's overwhelming because it's wild out there. Everybody's talking about the new trend, the new business opportunity, the answers to your prayers. Everybody seems to have the way, and they are all willing to give it to you in exchange for your money, no? However, there's something you may have noticed from that. They all have something in common, right? You found people talking about investing in cryptos or NFTs or the stock market, or maybe selling products on Amazon or books, or starting a YouTube channel or affiliate marketing, or growing an Instagram account and a very large etc. They all seem to be doing really well with those businesses, isn't it? They're all swimming in a pool full of money with Lambos and dream houses and beautiful girls. They're all going to teach you how to do what they are doing, but that's not exactly true. And do you know how I know that? Because I used to be one of them. Yes, I have a dark story about my past. I used to be a trading guru, teaching people how to make money with Forex. And yes, I pulled some decent money out of Forex trading for a short period of time, but I was far from a guru. I was far from a professional and experienced trader. My real income source was selling those courses to people who wanted to learn how to trade. And that's what they all have in common. Their money, their success is not coming from the business they are supposed going to teach you. Their money comes from selling that information to you. That's the real business. That's the real answer, the real trend, the real money-making machine, because knowledge is truly the new currency. That's the knowledge industry, the information industry, the self-education industry. So here's where you are really going to learn what they do for a living. I'm going to show you how to unlock the most valuable asset you have, your knowledge, your experience, your skill. Even if you think that you have nothing to teach, I'll prove you wrong. And not only do you have something valuable to teach, I will show you that other people not only want what you have, that knowledge in your brain, but they are eager to pay for it, to pay you to get it. I'll show you how to unlock that knowledge, how to craft an irresistible offer so people say, shut up and take my money. I'll show you how to teach with confidence and literally how to launch it to the world. That's right, you're gonna learn that from me right now, and you're already signed up. How amazing is that? So let's begin already. Click the button below this video to watch the first lesson where you will see that you really have something to teach. See you there, my friend.